we'll just stick with polynomials for a while because polynomials are fun. I promise you, they are fun. At least for me, they're fun. Poly means many. Polynomials means like many terms. So those terms are separated by addition and subtraction. So one thing that I think a lot of people like grab onto is when you're multiplying polynomials and you have like x plus 3 times x plus 2 and multiplying these together. Do you remember how to do this? There's an acronym.
Like princess.
Oh no, that's SOHCAHTOA. All of us 80s and 90s kids got that story where you're like, oh, this does not feel right. This is FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. So that you multiply the first two terms together. So that's x times x. You get x squared. So that's the f. The outside is x times 2. So that gives you 2x. And then the inside is the 3 times x, which is 3x. And then the last is 3 times 2, which is 6. That's the L. So then what you would do with this is you would need to combine the like terms, which in this case are just the 2x plus 3x. So you would have x squared plus 5x plus 6.